Topic: gravitational force.
Ah.
Why do you weigh less on the moon?
Huh?
Ah.
Hey, what are you doing? It is not possible. You cannot fly on Earth. Please listen. Look, I had warned you. Now, why don't you try the same activity on the moon? There, you will weigh much less, and thus, you can fly short distances.
Huh?
See? I was correct. Do you know why you weighed less on the moon? To understand this, we need to first learn about weight. No, not those weights. Weight is the force with which an object is pulled towards the center of the Earth or any other celestial body. This force is called the gravitational force.
Huh?
Greater the gravitational force exerted by the celestial body, more will be the weight of an object present on it. So, does this mean that the moon exerts less gravitational force than the Earth?
Oh.
Bingo! You are right. But do you know why? This is because gravitational force is directly proportional to the mass of an object. Greater the mass, greater will be the gravitational force exerted by it, and thus, more will be our weight. As the moon has lesser mass than the Earth, it has a weaker gravitational pull, and hence, we weigh less on the moon.